A soft textured look might seem effortless, but the control behind it is very deliberate. Today we're breaking down how to create a classic soft fade with texture. Step 1. Observe the hair. Today we're working with thick hair and wavy texture. Hair is healthy. Step 2. Choose the combs you will work with. I'll be using the Pegasus 202 and 615. We're going to use 202 for the scissor-over-comb work, as the even spacing between the teeth will help with my fade. And we're going to use 615 for the top of the head to give me better control with the thickness. Step 3, let's get cutting. We will dive into our haircut with our clipper work. We're going to use number 1 on the machine. Once your guideline is set, we will refine our fade with some scissor-over-comb work. Here I'm using the Pegasus 202. The strong build of the comb makes the hand feel so much more relaxed as there is less resistance. Now we're moving to the top of the head. I have switched to the Pegasus 615 to give me better control with the thickness of the hair on top. Step 4. Let's texturize and style the hair. I'm using the Pegasus comb 202 instead of a blow-dry brush to work with my hair and remove all the kinks, be more precise with my styling. Blow-dry with full volume, don't worry about the direction of the hair. Use your wax to give the hair more texture and the direction your client wants to wear the hair today in. The right tools can make you faster, achieve your looks with more precision, and that is what will take you to the next level. The Pegasus Top 16 Comb Kit has all the combs you'll ever need.